Anna and Ben discuss their weekend plans, deciding on a beach trip. They confirm the details, including the weather, departure time, and snacks. Let's hear how they finalize their plan. First, you have some time to look at your questions. Now listen carefully and answer your questions.
Hi, Ben. Have you decided where we're going for the weekend?
Hey, Anna, yes, I'm thinking of going to the beach. What about you?
That sounds perfect. I was hoping for something relaxing. Have you checked the weather?
Yes, it looks sunny all weekend. Do you know what time we should leave?
We should leave early on Saturday morning, around 7 a.m. How does that sound?
That works for me. We should also pack some snacks for the drive.
Definitely. I'll bring some fruit and drinks.
Chris and Lisa chat about their grocery shopping plans. They discuss what they need to buy and agree to go together. Let's listen to their conversation as they prepare for the trip. First, you have some time to look at your questions. Now listen carefully and answer your questions.
Hi, Lisa. Are you going to the grocery store today?
Hey, Chris. Yes, I need to pick up a few things for dinner. What about you?
I'm going too. I need to buy some vegetables and bread. What are you planning to cook?
I'm thinking of making spaghetti. Do you need any help with your shopping list?
That sounds delicious. I think I'm all set, but thanks for asking. What time are you going?
I'm going around 5 p.m. We could go together if you want.
That would be great. Let's meet at the store.
Mia and Jake talk about attending Sarah's birthday party, sharing what gifts and treats they'll bring. Let's hear how they plan for the celebration. First, you have some time to look at your questions. Now listen carefully and answer your questions.
Hi, Jake. Are you going to Sarah's birthday party this weekend?
Hey, Mia. Yes, I'm planning to go. What about you?
Of course. I wouldn't miss it. What gift are you getting her?
I'm thinking of getting her a book. She loves reading. Do you know what time the party starts?
It starts at 6 p.m. on Saturday. Are you bringing anything else?
I'm bringing some homemade cookies. What about you?
I'm bringing a cake. It's going to be a fun night.